Why does everybody need power training?
My answer is power, the ability to move quickly or move weights quickly or move your own weight quickly, decays with age faster than any other strength quality. If you don't train it, you will lose it, and it's very difficult to get back. So if you don't keep those muscle fibers that are based on power, if you don't practice moving quickly, you will lose it with age, and that is not something you want to lose with age.
Power to me is training one rep of anything. You are training one rep, and you can't really, truly train power if you're doing a whole bunch of reps, if you're not giving yourself adequate rest, if you're not extremely focused on that one rep, because you're training your ability to max out your athleticism and your execution in an instant. Keeping up your power training is keeping up your youth, your athleticism.
Sure.
And we aren't trying to train people for the Olympics. We aren't training them for the NFL, but we are trying to preserve every last bit of the power that they have as much as possible as they progress in age.
If you're a person who just trains for general strength qualities, for longevity, to feel good, to be healthy, to get stronger, then you have to think long term. Get really good at training. That should be your number one priority.
What do you want from your training? And what would be good for people to want in their training?
I want to maintain my strength. I want to maintain my ability to move. I want to maintain good body composition, being able to still be strong, move well, all that leading to good health outcomes. I think all those things are related. A little bit more on the emotional side, I like the practice of training every day. I want to have a good experience while I am training, like being around other like-minded people who I enjoy training with. I use the training to allow me to interact with people. That's really been helpful and something that I look forward to and part of a big part of what my training's become.